Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and today we are going to be focusing on Navratri as well, and also Canadian Thanksgiving. Canadian Thanksgiving is coming up soon on the second Monday of October, and so we have a special dish that can be used for both celebrations, which is used for Thanksgiving in your family dinner, or with use for Navratri as well. So what are the ingredients that we could see? I have two royal gala apple, which I've already chopped into small cubes, and I also have half a cup of yogurt, and I also have a quarter cup of sugar. You can reduce or increase according to your taste. And I have quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and I also have some quarter teaspoon to a less of the black salt. So let's see what we can do. And actually this is a apple cinnamon raita. So let's see how this can be made. To begin with, we shall have a big bowl, a mixing bowl with the yogurt in, and also we'll add the cinnamon powder and also the sugar. I believe quarter cup is too much, so I'm going to just go half of it. So it's about 1/8 of a cup of sugar, and also we'll add the black salt. For me, the sugar is pretty much quite a lot, but I have just reduced it. If you like more, please go ahead. And so we will whip this until it is well whipped, this yogurt. The yogurt has been well whipped, and also now we'll add finally the apples, and also just stir it out, and your raita is ready. So leave it in the fridge for a couple of hours, then serve it with your meals or as a dessert. And the black salt is an optional. If you want, you can. If you don't want, you don't have to. For me, I'm fine with the black salt, but if you don't want it, you may omit it. It's an option. And dear viewers, and here is our apple raita, which is presented with the celebration of Navratri and Canadian Thanksgiving. So for all Canadians, I wish a happy Thanksgiving, and also for all the Indians who are celebrating the Navratri, I wish them all a happy celebration. And also for all my family members and my friends who are out there. So also I wish for all those who are new, who have joined in this channel, I welcome them, and I also welcome everyone who is new. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I also, for those who are with me, thank you very much, and see you in my next videos. Happy Navratri to everyone, and see you